back. Please. Thank you. Whew. Pagoda. Garbage, may tinatapon siya. Pagoda sa trabaho, guys. Where you going, anak? Where? Okay, I'll follow you. Bring your baby with you. Oh, sorry. Okay. Mamaya pa, isang oras pa ako dito, sayang. Sayang yung kahoy. Where you going? Oh, are we gonna do this again?
Yeah.
Okay. Oo, mag-isa siya naglalaro. Stop. Be nice. Where you going?
Wait. I did the hole.
Where you going? Okay, I'll come out.
No, I did the hole.
Okay, come here. Ay, Diyos ko, pagoda. Kahit yung mga live, Maricar, deletein mo yung live. Yun na munang gawin mo. Okay, come on, play now. If you're not playing, then we're gonna go bye-bye then. What number is this, Jelana? 8. Okay, good job. Oo, yung... Yeah. Nag-delete din ako kanina.
Ready to play?
Ng mga live, kaya lang ang dami pala nun. 2 years.
Ready to play?
Yeah, ready to play.
To play. To play. To play. To play.
To play. Dami pala. Just me, Marimar.
Yeah.
Aha. Astig. Is that your princess? Oo. We need a duct tape. Oo. No. Oh, don't put it there. Put your Barbie here so we know. Put it there. So we don't lose it. Oh, it fell. Grabe, pagoda. Oh, aga pa magising. Whoa. What you doing? Kulit. Come here. May topak ka. May regla siguro. Come here. Where's your baby doll now? Look at the baby doll. Ayuda today. Ayuda ba ngayon? Chay, ayuda. Ay, grabe. Kakaantok. Oh, you wanna go? Oh, let's go play your four-wheeler. I know, not four-wheeler. Your thingy. No, your hoverboard. You didn't play your hoverboard. Okay, come on, let's go.
I can play. I can play. I can play. I can play. My hair, you want my hair?
Oh,
What is it?
Okay, let's go.